Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhoda. If you don't know me, I'm kind of new on this thing of doing video. And nothing, I just want to share today how I do blow dry my hair with this little guy over here. I purchased this one in eBay. They came in Revlon and all of those brands. A little bit more expensive, but this one is a little more affordable and they get to to your house. I think that I bought this for like $25. It works for me. I got no complaints. I already have it for a little bit. This is what I always use to blow dry my hair. It's easier, it's very lightweight as well, and also leave your hair with volume and style if you want to as well. Me personally, I don't like to go to bed with my hair, kind of wet, got a headache and all that stuff. So I prefer to, like just blow dry my hair and like whatever. Of course, I took all my braids out today, so I lose a lot of hair. You see, my hair is kind of damp right now, but it's already getting drier. I already got my bun on. I just do like small sections like this so I can cover my entire head. And nothing, I just jump to it once on the camera and then I'm gonna speed up. Okay, so I always go to medium temperature. It's already dry. It's easier. It goes like this, you could just handle. You don't have to worry about if you get stuck or something like that. It's very, managed. You can just manage however you want to. Lightweight, very cheap, affordable, for you. You don't have to go all that way and get, the Revlon one. That one I think is $50 something. This one again $25 and do the same thing. And yeah, I'm just gonna speed up this and I'll be right back with you guys. guys, so this is the final look. You see I got some volume. I like some volume because I don't have that much hair. My hair is very thin and also very oily, so that's why I put some heat protector. However, I never put anything after I blow out or after I straighten my hair because it will get oily like this. So I already blow out my hair. I could just stay like this, or I could just straight it, or do some curls, but my hair again is so thin. My curls is never gonna less what I want to, you know, like get my curls to less on my hair. So yeah, this is the final look. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see next. Yeah, see you.